So we got the strap locks on. That's working out good. Tuning it up, and I'm finding out that it does not stay in tune good at all because mainly the bridge, the springs are probably needing adjusting really bad, I guess. The front of it is angled really high, the back's really low, so the bridge is kind of like cocked. And really, if you use the trim at all, it comes out of tune. So I'm going to have to spend tomorrow working on that and see what I can do about maybe getting it set up a little bit better. So for now, we'll just run over some leads and whatnot and try it out. Check that out. See how black my fingers are? I don't know if that's from the fretboard or the strings or what, but something's going on there. Alright, so I'll mess around with this a little bit more tomorrow and see if I can, let me show you this. Listen, in tune, watch. Hear that? Just one touch. Yeah,